Not be small matter. Okay. Now we want to discuss very serious matter. Very, very serious matter. Yesterday, some days ago, the Commissioner for Information for Abia State, I don't say Commissioner for Nigeria, I don't say Lai Mohammed, I say Commissioner for Information. The person of Chief John Okeyi Kalu, him been post picture say food bank for Abia, say food bank don't dey. My brother, since where I born, reach it today. Now just yesterday, now I first see say we get food bank. Nah, but food dey there. See picture now, see picture. Him post picture of the food bank, see food, see rice, see tomato, see everything that they take, put ingredients together. We're going to make this lockdown, come lock in very well. Then they for that place. They can't say, them go share and come give people where they say the thing they had for them for this lockdown season for Abia. But the point, the question I want to ask me, say, you get person now where this lockdown that they have for. Even me, I need the food, I need them. Make we not carry pose in yanga, take cover hunger too much. Make I go no keep person for this Abia, my brother. If you want to go buy Gary now, they go say one pint na 1,500. Something where would they buy 500, 700 naira. Now what thing be this canteen now? So me man need it. So the problem where I want to talk be say, how they want to share this food? Now they are the matter they. Make I come out my cap now. Serious matter be this. How they want take to share this food? Where you go take reach the people where need them? Because we know say politicians for Nigeria, even for Abia State, most of them get bad mind. Most of them no they care about the poor. Most of them no one even see to even help poor people. As they bring this food so now, if they give them make a share now, they go pack so many of them put inside their house. Make I tell you now. The people say make I tell you. If you pack this food put for your house, they can't thunder. They can't thunder when go visit you. Another joke, so make a bone. The thunder when go visit you now thunder from the third heaven. You know, say thunder. When they come from the third heaven, now explosive thunder. The thunder go visit you. Thunder go visit you. If you carry this food, go put for your house, share them for your family alone, chop them. Thunder of the masses go visit you. People they cry, say hunger, they can't hunger them. So they want una now. All of una will go one carry this food, go put for una house, go chop them alone. Go deprive the poor people when need this food. Thunder from third heaven, now go visit una. So, make una watch una back, me too, I watch una. Would they watch una? Would they watch una? With our committee eye. And then another thing they say, we don't hear say people they contribute money from left, right, center. One day somebody was see for social media. He said these people when they contribute money for politicians, say we never see the money again. I said a lie. But they also talk about this thunder again, this time around again. I hear say First Bank, I mean which bank don't give us more above 25 million. Say Krisinaki don't give us 5 million. Say Gregory Bay don't also give us so many things, including money. Other people don't they contribute. Even Nana one for don't contribute. All of them don't contribute. If you not chop this money, the committee where they put them for hand, if you not chop this money, or not divert even 5 naira, thunder, where get muscle, where get belly, the way I get belly, where get belly like one of my man, where they for Abia, where they very close to governor. That kind of thunder where go visit, you go scatter your brain, scatter your family, you scatter everything. So what they want you, make you watch them very well. Make you not go touch that money. Make you make sure that use this money the way it's supposed to be. If you use them badly, you go see thunder now. Today na thunder day, now we day. Thunder day, now we day here. So We go also thank Dr. Alex Oti, where he madam bring so many things. Come go share for hospitals. He don't give FMC. You go see the picture. You see the picture. He don't give FMC. He don't give what do they call that hospital? Madonna Hospital. He don't go give hospital for Arochukwu. He don't give so many. We also Islam say he don't try. He don't try. Now we suppose show our. Make I tell you now. All these politicians will be say for 2022 they'll begin to do foundation. Foundation for this party. Foundation. And you know foundation us now. Now what we need that foundation? You know foundation us now. Wait now, we're waiting for you for foundation period. We are waiting for you with your foundation period. This is the time to show your foundation now. And all these our brother and sister waiting for big position for government. Show yourself now, support the people. Now you go show them. Well, make I not talk too much again. Make I say I thank una for always staying by to watch this video. To watch more of this video, just go, you go see for down here in the flow. Look for our YouTube handle. Go there, go subscribe, and also click for notification so that any content where we drop, you go always watch them. The YouTube handle they flow. Also go our Facebook. Go there, go like our Facebook. Go our Instagram and our Twitter. All of them they flow for here. So that they get content as they come. I thank you people. I bless you people. Thank you very much.